Okay, now equivalent fraction by dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So I've already taught you equivalent fraction means by multiplying. First I've told you multiplying. Equivalent fraction means by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Here the same equivalent fraction by dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Okay, now see, look at the sum. See here, so I will draw the box. So I cut into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal parts. I cut into 8 parts, 8 equal parts, and after that I shaded how many portions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 portions. So 6 divided by 8, you get the fraction. You get the fraction 6 by 8 because I draw the box and after that I cut the box into 8 equal parts. Then I shaded only 6 boxes. So the answer is 6 by 8. The answer is 6 by 8. This is the fraction answer. Okay, this is the fraction of 6 by 8 for this particular box. Then after that 6 by 8 is divided by 2. Here also 2. So I've told you equivalent fraction means, what is this? Equivalent fraction by dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So I take one particular number, it is 2. This is the number 2 I am going to take. So otherwise I have taken 2. So I have taken 2. Now I am going to divide the numerator and the denominator by this number. So 6 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. 6 by 8. So you are going to divide by 2 by the numerator. You are going to divide by 2 the numerator and the denominator. So answer is 6 by 2 you can get 3 and 8 by 2 you can get 4. So this is the equivalent fraction. So 6 by 8 is equivalent fraction. 6 by 8 is equal to 3 by 4. So this is the equivalent fraction. I'll repeat. First I draw the diagram. Then after that I cut into 8 equal parts. Then after that I shaded 6 portions. So the fraction of the box is 6 by 8. And 6 by 8 is a fraction. So equivalent fraction means you have to divide or multiply. You have to divide or multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Equivalent fraction means you have to multiply or divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number. We have seen the multiplication. That is, you have done the multiplication already in equivalent fraction. Now we are going to see only the division. That is, division means in equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction by dividing. Equivalent fraction by dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So equivalent fraction is, what is the answer? Is 6 by 8. You got it. How could you say it is an equivalent fraction? So 6 by 8 is equal to 3 by 4. That means you have to divide any number. That means I am going to take only 2. So by this number I have to divide 6 by 8. So the numerator is 6 and the denominator is 8. So the number is taken by me is 2. So 6 is divided by 2 and 8 is divided by 2. So that is what you can get 3 by 4. So you can get the equivalent fraction. 6 by 8 is equal to 3 by 4. This is the equivalent fraction. So equivalent fraction is nothing but multiplying or dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same number. You can take any number, but I take only for this sum 2. For this sum I have taken the divisor is 2. Okay, next is here. So for the diagram representation is, so 3 by 4. So I draw another diagram. So I cut into 4 equal halves, 4 equal parts. I cut into 4 equal parts. Then I shade only 3 portions. So the diagram answer, that means the diagram representation fraction is 3 by 4. This is the answer. So 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. So 6 by 8 is equal to 3 by 4. Now we have seen the diagram representation sum. Now we are going to see the normal sum, that is 18 by 45. So equivalent fraction you have to find out. See, in this place I am already 18 by 5. So sorry, and the answer is what? Okay, 5. The answer is 5. So 18 divided by 45. So I'm going to divide any number. I'm using 5 here. So I'm going to use 9 here. So 18 by 9 you can get 2. 45 by 9 you can get 5. So the answer is 5 here. So you have to divide only 9. So if I divide the denominator is 9, I have to divide the numerator is also 9. So the answer is in that particular place is 2. So the answer is, what means in this place I have to put 2. In this box I have to put 2. In this box I have to put 2. In this box I have to put 2. So 2 by 5 is the answer. 2 by 5 is the answer. So I'll repeat the sum. 18 by 45. So I have to I have to make it as an equivalent fraction. The answer is given in this denominator place 5. Denominator place 5. So you have to find out the numerator value. You have to find out the numerator value. So 18 by 45. So I have to take any number to divide. I have to use it 9, because why I use 9 here? Because in the denominator place I got the answer is 5. So 45 here is 9. Sorry, here is 5. So 45 is divided by 9. You can get 5. So if I divide the denominator if the denominator is divided by 9, the numerator is also is divided by 9. So 18 is divided by 9, you can get 2. So 2 by 5 is the answer. So 18 by 45 is equal to 2 by 5. So this is the equivalent fraction, because this 18 by 45 is divided by 9, you can get 2, and 45 is divided by 9, you can get what? 2 by 5. So if you want to multiply 2 into 9, 18, and 5 into 9, you can get what? 45. The same question will also come. The same question also come. So these both are, that's 2 by 5 is equivalent to 18 by 45. So these two are equivalent fraction. So next we are going to the next sum. Next we are going to see the third sum, 6 by 9. 6 by 9 is equal to 2 by 3. How could you say? So because 6 by 9 is equal to 2 by 3, whether it is right or wrong, you have to find out. See, look at the numbers. How could you find out? 6 is divided by what? 3. 6 is divided by 3, you can get 2, and 9 is divided by 3, so you can get what? 3. So 2 by 3. 6 by 9, this what you have to divide the same number. That means equivalent fraction means dividing the same number, dividing the numerator, 6 is the numerator, dividing the denominator by the same number. I have taken 3, so 3 is divided by 6, so 6 is divided by 3 and 9 is divided by 3, so you can get 2 by 3. The divisor is 3, this is the common number, so common factor also. So 6 is divided by 3 and 9 is divided by 3. So what is the answer? 2 by 3 is an equivalent fraction. So how could you get 2 by 3? I explained already. So what is this equivalent fraction? By dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same number. The same number is what? 3. So nothing but is 3. 6 is divided by 3, you can get 2, and 9 is divided by 3, you can get what? Again 3. The answer is 2 by 3. So 6 by 9 is equal to 2 by 3. So this is also an equivalent fraction. Next sum. 14 by 12 is equal to 2 by 3. How could you say? So 14 divided by 21. So if you divide by, so you have to divide any number. So I am going to take 7. So here also 7. So 2 by 3. So 14 is divided by 2, you can get 7, and 21 is divided by 3, you can get 7. This also you can use, but I have taken 7, so 14 is divided by 7, you can get 2, and 21 is divided by 7, you can get 3. So 14 by 21 is equal to 2 by 3. So both are equivalent fraction. Because why it is equivalent fraction? I have told you, dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same number, or dividing or multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the same number, it is equivalent fraction. So example 4. So 4 by 10 and 2 divided by what? The box, you have to fill in the box. So 4 by 10. So 4 I'm going to explain 4 divided by 10. So 4 is divided by 2, you can get 2. 2 is already given, so divided by, so 10 is also divided by, if the numerator is divided by 2, the denominator is also divided by 2. So what is the answer? 5. So in this box the answer is 5. Next, 15 by 27. Example 5, 15 by 27. So 15 is given, divided by 15 by 27 is given. So in this place the answer is 9. So if you 27 is divided by 9, you can get what? 3. So I am going to divide 15 is divided by 3 and 27 is divided by 3. So 27 is divided by 3, already I got it 9. So if the if the denominator is divided by 3, the numerator is also divided by 3. So if 27 is divided by 3, you can get 9. So 15 is also divided by 3, you can get what? 5. So in this box you have to fill up 5. So the answer is 5 by 9. So 15 by 27 is equal to 5 by 9. In this place 4 by 10 is equal to 2 by 5. The next sum, example 6 sum. So 21 divided by 47 is equal to 3 divided by what is the number you have to find out. See, look at this, 21 divided by 49. So in this question you will get what? Question 3 divided by what is the answer? So 21 is divided by 3, you can get 7. So if the numerator is divided by 7, the denominator also divided by 7. So 21 is divided by 7, you can get 3. So 49 is also divided by 7, so you can get 7 sevens are 49. So 21 by 49 is equal to 3 by 7. Both are equivalent fraction. 21 divided by 49 is equal to 3 by 7. So 21 is divided by 7 means you can get what? 3. 49 is also divided by 7, you can get 7. So otherwise you can do 3, if you the same what is the divisor, 3 into 7 you can get 21, 7 into 7 you can get 49. If the question is come, the answer is automatically correct. Okay students, so we have seen equivalent fraction very thoroughly, even in the multiplication method, even in the division method. So again I will tell you what is the equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction is nothing but multiplying or dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same number. I have given many examples. Kindly practice more and more sum. You can get the concept, you can reach the concept, and otherwise you can thorough the concept very clearly.